Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to continue playing games on another PC with Steam Cloud. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see the Steam menu option there. Click on it and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open a new window where you can configure various Steam features and preferences. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories. Click on Cloud from this list. This section controls how Steam manages your game saves and settings across different devices, which is essential for picking up where you left off on any PC. Now, in the cloud settings, you'll see a toggle for Enable Steam Cloud. Make sure this toggle is turned on. This feature allows Steam to automatically back up your game progress, saves, and settings to the cloud, so you can access them from any computer where you're logged into your Steam account. Next, navigate back to the upper left corner and click on Library. This will take you to your games collection where you can manage individual game settings. On the left side of your screen, you'll see your list of installed games. Right-click on the game you want to enable Steam Cloud for. Then select Properties from the context menu that appears. This opens a detailed settings page for that specific game. In the Properties window, check that the cloud status shows as up to date. This confirms that your game saves are being properly synchronized with Steam servers. Below that, make sure the game saves in the Steam Cloud for option is turned on. This ensures that all your progress for this particular game will be stored in the cloud and accessible from other devices. Now, let's move to your other PC. Open your Steam app on this second computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, click on Library in the upper left corner to access your games collection. On the left side, locate and click on the game you want to install. This will open the games page with an install button prominently displayed. Click the install button to begin downloading the game to your second PC. Depending on the game's size and your internet connection, this might take some time, so be patient while Steam downloads and installs all the necessary files. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to launch the game. Click the launch button, and here's where the magic happens. Steam will automatically detect and download your cloud save from the previous PC, allowing you to continue exactly where you left off. And that's it, you've successfully set up Steam Cloud and can now seamlessly continue your gaming sessions across multiple computers. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.